Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today is another featured video in my Get This Project Done Now. And the project being a 2019 travel album, and I am really seriously pushing to try and get this done because I'm tired of having my mega kit out. I will leave a link below or above with a video showing you the kit that I'm currently using. So in an effort to get more done, I've combined a number of photos into this 2-page spread. I think I have 12, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 photos across the 2 pages. I'm going to use as a base page these SEI papers. They're really old. I don't know, they're like probably 12 or 13 years old. And they have a little bit of an ombre look to them, so they're lighter at the top and get a little bit darker. And the pictures are of the old city in Cartagena, Colombia, and I probably butchered the pronunciation of that, and I apologize. And what really struck me was all the different colors. It's just very vibrant, and architecture is really interesting. So the title's going to be something to do with colors, I think. And the layout is super simple, very quick, minimal paper. So these photos here are 3 by 5, and I printed them on a 4 by 6 card and just trimmed them with a white border so I don't have to mat them. Obviously I printed 2 photos on a 4 by 6, so I don't have to cut those apart. This is a 4 by 4 photo, which I matted on paper, and then I have 3 2 by 2 photos. The collection I am using for this layout is from Cartabella Pack Your Bags. Just again, it's got lots of vibrant, bright colors, so I thought that went well with the paper. And I have this was just a scrap, and it's about 9.5 by 5. So this is 9.5 by 5 inches. So I trimmed this to be a 1/4 inch bigger than this, and we're just going to mat that. So let's just do that now and get that out of the way. And my ATG and I are still on the outs with each other, and so I just roll the tape without it. Just kind of eyeballing that this is centered, just like so. And basically this is going to come in here, and I'm going to use a ruler to make sure this is straight, but I'm just going to come in here like that. I'm going to have this photo here, this photo here. These are going to be a little bit askew, whatever you want to call it. And then my title's going to go down below, and then we'll think about embellishments later. For this side of the page, I am taking a 6 by 12, and we are going to almost butt it up to the edge. We're going to leave about a 1/4 inch because we're going to take a piece of the red paper and mat that like so, and this one. Now I opted to go with a colored background one, again because it plays into that theme of color. And then the other reason why is this is an off-white, and I didn't want to have an off-white on a white. That makes sense. Then we're going to take the 3 by 4 photos and just run them down the middle. I might, or maybe I might move them over. I have to think about that one. And then this 4 by 4 is going to come down here. And then it's just a matter of these photos. So if I don't center this, I don't know if I like these here or if we should just move them over. Then we're not going to see very much of the red. Not sure I like that. So let's move this over. This was my original thought. But you know, sometimes you got to explore other options because you never know what may come your way. So something like that. And that is going to be the 2-page spread. Super easy, right? So let me glue this down and pull out some embellishments and the title, and we will go from there. Okay, so I added the title at the bottom. I pulled out some Pink Fresh Pink Fresh Alpha stickers from Let Your Heart Decide. The colors aren't an exact match, but I think because there's so much going on, it's okay. So then I just need to add some embellishments, and I think something here and something here to balance out the title would work well. I pulled some of these. These are actually from Here and There collection. I like this little tassel thing. I don't care for the words, but this adventure kind of fits right over top. So I might just glue that on and then just trim this down a little bit so I don't have so much of a white border. And then possibly tuck this behind that, and then have that whole thing tuck into this corner. And then these airplane windows with the different colors I think would look cute over here. And then it will just be a matter of pulling some stickers, I think, to finish this off. So let me glue this down, pull some stickers, and show you the final layout. Okay, so in addition to those ephemera pieces, I did add some stickers. So for this one, I added the flight attendant and some words stickers and a couple enamel dots. I think that's cute. And then on this side, I added the globe sticker and a couple enamel dots and some more word stickers. And then at the bottom, the little camera, the You Are Here arrow, and a couple enamel dots. So pretty simple design, but still allows for a lot of photos. I'm really pleased with how this one turned out. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end, and until next time, happy crafting.